Sarji. I am co-founder of Hybreed Technologies. We work with some of the big names like Economic Times, Great Place to Work, Turbo Hire. We do UI UX, website development, applications development, and SEO. We started using EngageWith to recognize our co-workers, who are doing a fab job, right? So we started giving kudos to team members who are working well. More than the rewards, right? It is all about giving appreciation and recognizing their hard work. If they reciprocate well when you recognize their work, and because it happens in Slack channel, it is pretty social. Seeing that my other team members also, they start on with either they will just like, or they'll just congratulate the team member who has been recognized, and hence the spirits are quite high because of such engagement. We think that EngageWith is one of the tools that we would like to go ahead with in coming year and make it an integral part of our culture. Especially, half of our company is working remotely, and hence it becomes very important for the leaders to recognize the work, and also it helps in aligning the team and driving the engagement inside those Slack channels. That was also one of the reason of implementing EngageWith, and then deciding to use it continuously from 2022 year onwards.